Valencia. You can call me Dimas. My hobby is badminton. I am 16 years old. My dream is entrepreneur. I come from junior high school in Batam, and I am currently studying at SMK 6 Batam. My favorite food is seafood. I was born in Batam. I usually fill my free time by helping my parents. After that, I play games and don't forget to pray as my obligation. Okay, that's all about me. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.